Ants are some of the most fascinating and complex insects in the world. There are over 12,000 known species of ants, and they can be found in almost every ecosystem on the planet. These tiny creatures are known for their remarkable social behavior and their ability to build intricate underground colonies. In South Carolina ecosystems, ants play a key role in maintaining a healthy habitat, whether that's in your backyard or out in the wild. Ants are social insects, meaning that they live in colonies with hundreds or even thousands of other ants. Each colony is made up of a queen, male drones, and female worker ants. Ants use a variety of methods to communicate, including touch, sound, and chemical signals. They have a special gland that produces pheromones, which they use to mark their territory, trail food, and signal danger. Ants are incredibly organized and efficient when it comes to foraging for food. They use a method called scouting, where a few ants are sent out to search for food, and then they leave a trail of pheromones behind for other ants to follow. This system allows the entire colony to work together to find food and bring it back to the nest. Ants are incredibly important to ecosystems around the world, playing a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. In South Carolina, one of the primary ways that ants contribute to ecosystems is by acting as predators. This helps to control the populations of other insects, preventing them from damaging crops and other vegetation. Additionally, some species of ants play a role in seed dispersal, carrying seeds back to their nests where they may sprout and grow into new plants. Ants also help to aerate soil and distribute nutrients, which can improve the health of other plants and other organisms in the ecosystem. One of the most interesting behaviors of ants is their ability to build complex underground colonies. The tunnels and chambers of an ant colony are carefully constructed and maintained by the worker ants. The tunnels and chambers of an ant nest are constantly being expanded and remodeled, with worker ants using their powerful mandibles and sharp spines to dig and shape the nest. Overall, the construction and maintenance of an ant nest is a marvel of cooperation and organization, with each ant playing a crucial role in the construction and maintenance of a complex structure. Whether observed in the wild or in our own backyards, ants never fail to captivate with their remarkable behaviors and social structures. By continuing to study and appreciate these remarkable insects, we can gain a deeper understanding of the impact they have in creating and maintaining a healthy ecosystem.